Okay, everybody. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys about the mean, median, and mode. So they say that James has a spinner that has sections labeled 1 to 5. He spins the spinner 10 times, and here are the scores. Find the mode. As in my previous lecture, I told you guys that what a mode is. Mode is the most repeated number. So mode is the most repeated value. So to see the numbers, as there are only 10 numbers, so let me write 1 comma 1 in ascending order, comma 1 comma 1. Let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 ones, not 4. So so we have ones now, so let me cross it down like that. Okay, let's see how many twos we have. We have only 1 2. So what about 3? So we have 1 3. So we are left with fours only. So how many fours we have? 1 2 3 4. So I have to write 4 fours and a 5. Now count it down for the sake of verification. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it means that my numbers are arranged in ascending order. So as I can see that the number 4 repeated 4 times, so mode is 4. And it usually comes in paper number 1, which is without calculator. So work out the mean. So mean means sum of all, sum of all divide by number of observations. So let's add. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 divide by 10. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 divided by 10 is equals to 29. Better you can verify my answer. Is this correct or not? So the mean is 2.9. Thank you. Work out the range. The formula for the range is highest minus lowest. So the highest value in this data is 5 as arranged. So we can see that the highest value is this 5 and the lowest value is 1. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So range of the data is 4. Let's see. Here are the ages of 9 children at a birthday party. To find the question in a very easy mode, just arrange the question in ascending order first to understand it in a very better way. As I can see that 10 is the smallest value. So I have how many 10s? 2. This is third one. So this cutting will help you because in case if you miss any number. So 11. I don't have any 11. So let's start the 12. I have one more 12. Okay. Then I have 13. Only one 13. And one 14. And the last one is 15. Let's count down. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, there are 9 children. Okay, the mode is, so which number repeated, Eliza?
10, sir.
Okay, so 10 repeated, so 10 is my mode of the data. Okay, work out the median. For the median, you have to arrange the question. So the question is already arranged, as we can see. So there are only 9 students, n is equals to 9. So it means that we have to apply the formula of the odd numbers. So median is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to fifth number. So let's see which fifth number is. Let's count down. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can see from the another side as well. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is fifth, so this is 12. So the median is 12. Work out the range. Okay, range mean highest minus smallest. So data is already arranged. So highest minus smallest. So highest value is 15 and the smallest value is 10. So that is 5. So these are in years, so that is 5 years. So it's the range of the data. Let's see another question. They say that a football team played 6 games. Here are the number of goals they scored in each game. Whatever data you get, just arrange it just for the sake of easiness. So 0, then two twos, okay, then 3, then 5, and then 6. They say the median. Okay, as we see that n is equals to 6, it is an even number. So when n is even number, so the formula of the median is n by 2, which is 6 divided by 2 is equals to the third value. But in median we have always a confusion, and the confusion is like a third value. So if we can see from the left side, the third value is 2, and from the right hand side the third value is 3. So I always tell my students to do this way: third plus fourth divided by 2. So third plus fourth is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So the answer is 2.5. So the answer is 2.5. Work out the number of goals scored. So sum of all divided by numbers. So how many numbers are there? 6. 6 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. Add them. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. And 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. So that's how you will find out the mean, median, mode of the and range of the data. Okay, if the question is for the 2 to 3 marks, so don't miss these 2 to 3 marks. Okay, and they are very easy. Okay, okay. They say that the football team play one more game, and the mean number of goals scored increases to 4. Increases to 4. Like for example, the mean number previously we had is 3. They played one more game. They played one more game. So for example, they played 6 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. They played one more game, but we don't know about the game score. So that is x. So divide by 7, and the result would be equals to 4. So we know this, that adding all these, the answer is 18. So 18 plus x divided by 7 is equals to 4. Let's see what's the score of the seventh game. So 18 plus x, this 7 will go there as a multiplication because equals to is like a wall, and 7 is in division here, so it will go there as a multiplication. So 18 plus x is equals to 4 times 7 is 28. So x is equals to 28 negative 18. So x is equals to what? It is 10. So the score in the seventh game is 10. Get it, bache? Easy. So can you please tell me what would be the answer in this?
For what, sir?
Please, okay, please read the question loud and clear.
Miss Jones gives her class a test. The test is out of 40 marks. Here are their scores. Work
So
out the
first step
mode.
is what?
Arrange them in ascending order.
Okay, the first number is what?
First number is 29. No, sorry,
No, 20.
20,
Then
29,
29.
32. No, sorry, 31 first.
Okay,
Then
don't be in a
there
hurry.
will,
Okay,
okay. There will be two 32s,
okay, two 32s.
35, 38.
Okay, I always recommend students to while arranging arrange with the pencil. Okay, because it's not a mandatory part of the paper. Okay, so
Yeah.
do it with pencil. Okay, in order to understand it. Work out the mode. Which number is repeating?
32.
Okay, work out the median. So data is even or odd.
Data is even.
Count the values.
It's odd, sir.
7. It's odd. And for the odd median, we have the formula is
N plus 1,
divided by 2.
2.
So 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 divided by 2 is fourth value. So which value is on the fourth place? That is
Um,
already arranged. Without arranging, you cannot find the median. So fourth value is what? 32.
yeah,
Median is also same. Okay, work out the range. So what is the formula
38.
for the range?
That is highest subtracted by the lowest.
Okay, highest value of the data and lowest value of the data. So the highest is
38.
38 minus what?
20.
Good job. So the answer is
18.
okay. So 18 marks because these are the scores of the 40 students. Sorry, the scores of some students, and the test is out of 40 marks. So we can see that 32 repeated two times, and the median marks is 32 as well. But the range is 18 marks. It means that one of the student he scored 20 marks, and which is the lowest of the class. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So it means that rest of the students are performing well, but only one student is one or two students they are struggling a bit. Okay, so that's how we interpret the data because statistics helps us in doing what? Statistics helps us in doing in what in decision making, right? We have the data, so then we can easily imply our decision mean and range of the data. But there is no hard and fast rule to rely on these scores because there might be some extraordinary value in this. For example, there is a case like, for example, uh, in this test, a student got 20 marks. Agree? Might be there is a chance that he's new to the school, right? Or he joined a day before. Agree?
Yes,
So
sir.
there are some outliers in our statistical data. So we need to find out all the variables and then see what's happening. So I'm ending the video here. So just give me a second. Thank you.